Let's learn how to download and install Binance application on your PC or any device, but I will show you this tutorial on PC. Method is the same, so you can download it on your phone. Just follow me steps. So what you need to do is to go to your browser. Now you want to type Binance, download, and you will see the first one that came up at the top. Click on it. If you're watching this from iPhone, just click on this as download, but I will go to desktop and click on this download Windows. Now you will get the setup. Just click on save and wait for it to finish downloading. Okay, once you finished downloading, just click on it. It will open installer. Click OK or choose any language you want. Just go install. I already installed this, so I don't need to, but once it finishes you can check or uncheck this, depends if you want, and click finish. And now it will open your Binance application and you're done.